Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change text style in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change text style in Telegram, first open up a Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person with whom you want to chat by changing the text style. So in order to change the text style from over here, first type your message which you want to change the text style on, what type of text, whatever type of text, guys, type on it and select the type text over here. You can select all of the text, and then after the text has been selected, there is the three dotted icon with a box where it says the copy paste code. Tap on the three dotted icon at the right side, and all of the text styles available on Telegram will be available over here. You can change it to anything which you want. So let's do that again. Let's tap on the three dotted icon, and you can see it will be bolded. So guys, this is how you will be able to change text style in Telegram. And with that being said, guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.